Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video, and today's video is about iPads and some very cool ways of placing iPads on the wall or on the tabletop to charge and be part of the system. So man, I tell you what, iPort has created some really cool products that work with many different models of the iPad, and you can get these in white and black. And so I first want to show you a couple components. So obviously you need a case. And so iPort sells this is called the Connect Pro case. Now what's so special about these is it's a hard case, and so there's actually a lot of technology built into the case itself. It's induction charging. So as you can see this ring here, it has a way of docking on several pieces of chargers that iPort makes. So behind me here we have the iPort wall station, and then we also have the iPort tabletop station. I'm always surprised at how heavy it is. No little kid is picking up this thing and chunking it. It has got some weight to it. I need to look up the exact weight for this bad boy, but it is heavy. So when you place it, it's like a big, heavy-duty paperweight. But it's just another cool way of placing your iPad. A lot of times we'll do multiple types of charging docks in the house, and typically we can run Cat 6 now to where the charging station is going to be, especially if it's an in-wall, because it does have PoE, power over Ethernet capabilities. So it has a little cool flap like this, or you cut a hole in the wall and you have obviously your Cat 6 in. We've already done ours here, but on the back, there's different dongles it comes with. You could do a 2-conductor for just power supply, but you could also do Cat 6 so you can do the PoE adapter. Now the PoE adapter, you do have to buy separately, but it's an easy, clean way to provide power to this particular piece. So we have all the different dongles, the hardware necessary to install, and then there's a wall wart type power supply in here if you choose to do the 2-conductor, but we usually do the PoE. Just makes it nice and clean to run back to our equipment switch. So what's so cool about this is it is induction charging. So again, these can come in white or black, and you can see how clean that is that finishes to the wall. It's super clean. It's less than 1/4 of an inch that sticks off the wall, and it's a nice clean look. It's not overbearing, it's not a huge eyesore, but again, it's just another place to charge the iPad. And the way it works is you have your iPad. Now you can use whatever iPad you want, and of course there's different cases for different models. This happens to be the one for the 10.2 inch. I don't have the iPad in it because I just want to show you guys inside. The way it works is this just pulls apart. Slide your iPad in. This would slide up on top, boom, and it seals it up nice and clean. And then you have the dock that goes to the bottom that's your charging port. You still have, I don't know if you see this, but you still have the area for the camera, of course all the controls, just like you would be able to use with or without the case. And of course on the back is the induction charging. That's what all that wiring is on the inside. So the way it works is you would have your iPad in, but it still works without the iPad. And then you just, boom, super clean, super easy. Now what's really nice is that it works no matter if you like it in landscape or portrait mode. Super clean. So if this is in a bedroom, a living room, or whatever, a lot of times we see these being put into the bedrooms because people like to use their iPad in the bedroom for whatever they want to use an iPad for. But they have a nice clean place to set this when they're done, so it's charging. Again, this is just a charging dock, but it's a nice clean way of doing a charging dock. You're not looking for cables. It's a clean way to always place it somewhere. And again, if you're using, a lot of people now are using iPads to control their systems, and they use the app to control the music, or they're using the apps to control so many things that you can control these days with apps. So typically people are using their phones or their iPads. Well, this is a great way to use your iPad and have a nice clean fit and finish on the wall. Pull it off, go around, do whatever you gotta do, control those shades, control the lights, or just have it right there. Control the shades, control the lights, armor system, whatever is on the iPad. So a nice, clean fit and finish, and I'm gonna say fit and finish at least 12 more times. So just a nice, clean way of doing an iPad on the wall. Now, there's another solution that we like, and it's the tabletop dock. So again, It comes with a power supply to plug it in, or you could run a Cat 6 to this as well, and this is also capable of being PoE powered, so which is also super cool depending on where you place it. If it's on an island or it's on a kitchen countertop or wherever you decide to place this thing. But again, I want to say it over and over, this thing is heavy, so this is not going anywhere easily because it's got some weight. But again, so like in our own showroom, for instance, we have a place on our island that we were not able to get power, and so we have the on-wall for charging, and then we actually have the tabletop that's not actually charging on the counter just to hold the iPad, so it's a nice clean fit and finish to hold the iPad dock in a location that we want to use it for. So I want to take this off here and get the tabletop, and again, same exact thing. It's got the same exact induction charging. Boom, again, it can hold it nice and clean, landscape or portrait. So again, if you can use this anywhere around the home. You can use it for displaying your cameras. The tabletop dock can be used just about for anything, just like the on-wall, but it's just another way of storing your iPad and having it charge when not in use, or when you are using it. This just gives you a nice, easy way of placing it somewhere. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. There's some really cool products here by iPort, and we really enjoy them because it makes it a nice, clean, finished way of doing an iPad on someone's system that they can dock and work really well and look really well, because we know that's important. So subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Again, hope you guys like the video. Until next time, see you on the next one.